Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, the Honorable Professor Dr. Ari Sabtono as the Dean of Faculty Economics, State University of Jakarta, Professor Dr. Indah Nikensari as Studi Program Coordinator Economic Education, State University of Jakarta, and Mr. Aditya Pratama as like supervisor, uh, my supervisor in Finnish my sign. Uh, First, I wanted to introduce myself. My name is Anuryasan Saputra from Economic Education B 2019. In on this occasion, I want to share about internship program report at the Deputy of Cooperative for Cooperative Supervision Ministry of Cooperative and Small and Medium Enterprise. Discussion today in chapter 1, I want to tell you about introduction. Chapter 2, about company general review. Chapter 3, about practice of internship program. Chapter 4, about conclusion. In the chapter 1, introduction, I want to share about background of the internship program. Fieldwork practice or internship program is a form of providing education and training by working directly, systematically, and direct with competent supervision in their field. Uh, the rapid the rapid development of science and technology makes more and more chance that must be faced by the industrial world. For this reason, the industrial world also needs a more skilled and qualified workforce. At the Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta, a police is applied to conduct fieldwork practice or internship practice for 5 until 6 months to unveil the conversions of 20 credit course. In the process of looking for a company, students are free to street vendor anywhere as long as the company is still related to the student department or study program. At the Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta, a police is the applied to conduct field work or internship program practice for 5 until 6 months to fulfill the conversion of 20 credits course. In the process, for looking for a company, students are free to street vendor anywhere as long as the company is still related to the student department or study program. For this reason, the practitioner chooses the mystery of cooperative and small and medium enterprise because it's still related to the practical study program, namely economic education, and also the practitioner has learned about cooperative previously, so that the practitioner is interested in knowing more about this cooperative and the deputy for cooperative for supervision of cooperative, the Ministry of Cooperative and Small and Medium Enterprises. Next, the goals about internship program. First, practicing the work culture in the deputy cooperative and the field of cooperative supervision, uh, and practicing the working of cooperative supervising in the supervising cooperative. In this goal, I hope I can get a benefit. First, the practitioner is able to adjust and adopt well to the work culture at the deputy for cooperative supervision. Practitioners are able to practice the working of the cooperative supervision in supervising cooperatives. Next is in the chapter 2, company general review. First, I wanted to talk about the history about company. In the Dutch first in this government formed a cooperative agency which was under the Ministry of Home Affairs and was given the task of the registering and ratifying cooperative, which this task was previously carried about carried carried out by a notary. Next, on the November 10th, 1999 presidential decree number 134 garis miring 1999 concerning the position, duties, and function, organization structure, and work procedure of the Minister of State was issued. Ministry of Corporation and Small and Medium Enterprise have vision and mission. Vision is realizing an advanced Indonesian that is sovereign, independent, and personality based on the mutual cooperation. Uh, and Ministry of Cooperative and Small and Medium Enterprise have mission. First, Indonesians human quality improvement, second, productive, equitable and competitive economic structure, equitable and equitable development. Next, business model. In the implementation relate to government and business fields, the Indonesian Ministry of Cooperative and Small and Medium Enterprise has the task set out in Presidential Regulation number 96 of 2020 concerning the Ministry of Cooperative and Small and Medium Enterprise. In an effort to realize this test, the Ministry of Cooperative and Small and Medium Enterprise has the following function. First, formulation and determination of policy in the field of cooperative, micro, small, and medium enterprise and entrepreneurship. Second, coordination and synchronization of policy implementation in the field of cooperative, micro, small, and medium enterprise and entrepreneurship. Third, coordinator of the implementation of tasks, coaching, coaching, and providing administrative support to all elements of the organization with the Ministry of Cooperative and Small and Medium Enterprises. And the last, management of state property, which is the personal responsibility of the Ministry of Cooperative and Small and Medium Enterprises. Next, in the chapter 3 about practice of internship program. First, I wanted to share about the workforce. Practitioner carry out field work practice at the deputy for cooperative for supervision of cooperative at the Ministry of Cooperative and Small and Medium Enterprise of the Republic of Indonesia. In the position of the practitioner is an staff of Mr. Dandi and perform the task of assisting the head of division in filling, compiling and coordinating the disposition sheet regarding to supervision of the cooperative. In practice, practitioners get a job first compiling papers related to modern compiling papers related to modern cooperative, responsible and responsible for achieving incoming and outgoing letters addressed to the head of the cooperative supervision field, filling the disposition of the deputy assistant to the chief health assessment of the cooperative. Next, I want to share about gap theory and practice in the institutional framework of cooperative. The unclear division of authority among the completeness of the cooperative organization, which broadly consists of the function of management, supervisory function, function of manager, and employees of the cooperative. In the practice, this function tend to overlap, such as manager function, which legally the manager's presence in the organization structure is an assistant to be a management is in accordance with law uh, number check over all the function currently carry out by management. And next, I want to talk about my contribution during mentorship program to it. First, practitioners carry out fieldwork practice according to working days and according to the rules that apply at the Indonesian Ministry of Cooperative and Small and Medium Enterprise, namely Monday to Friday for 8 working hours. Second, the practitioner is responsible to achieve correspondence and successfully carries out the task well. And the last, the practitioner contributes to the work to the work for the head of cooperative health assessment in accordance with the work that has been determined. Last chapter about conclusion. Uh, this PKL or internship program activity is very useful for students, especially for practitioners, because with this internship program, it is hope the practitioner will get the real work experience, and also the practitioner can get the new knowledge that the relevant to field of study practitioner on campus. With this street vendor, it is also hope that the university can produce quality human research to support the needs of quality human research for the world of the work in the future. While undergoing street vendor at the deputy for cooperative for supervision of cooperative, the Ministry of Cooperative and Small and Medium Enterprise, Indonesian practitioner get a lot of information related to the work that has been done, new knowledge about cooperative, especially in the cooperative supervision, and of course, Excel work experience. The result that practitioner get while undergoing street vendor at the deputy for cooperative for supervision of cooperative at the Ministry of Cooperative and Small and Medium Enterprise, Republic of Indonesia are as follows. First, practitioners are able to adopt. First, practitioners are able to adopt well to the work culture of the Ministry of Cooperative and Small and Medium Enterprise, especially the Deputy for Cooperative for cooperative supervision. Second, the practitioner can understand the work carry out about the field cooperative supervision where the practitioner is placed. And the last, practitioner are able to undergo and complete the task given to practitioner while undergoing street vendor at the deputy for cooperative for the cooperative supervision. And the last, I want to say thanks for your attention. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.